Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with Google Sheets. So let's get to it. Make sure that you have installed Google Sheets application on your phone. Then this is my Google Sheets application. Then I'm just going to click on it to get started. And if we want to create new file on Google Sheets, we can click on this button. But if we want to open the existing file that already on our Google Sheets, we can click on the file. We can simply click on the file and the file will be opened. And I'm just going to click new file right here. So I'm just going to select, I'm just going to click on this button. Then we can choose either template or new spreadsheet. And if you want to use Google Sheets template, you can simply click on the template right here. And then there will be a lot of templates you can use. And I'm going to give you example. So this is the template, guys. There are schedule, annual calendar, travel planner, to-do list, and you can choose it as you want. And we can go back to the preview section. And if you want to create new Google Sheets without the template, we can click on new spreadsheet right here. And then the new spreadsheet will be created. So guys, this is the new spreadsheet and we can edit the spreadsheet as we like. We can add table, chart, and it's up to you. Okay guys, and that's how we can get started with Google Sheets application. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.